Suzhou Construction Machinery Group is a prominent Chinese company that has managed to position itself among the top 3 global manufacturers of construction machinery. Among its catalog of heavy-duty machinery is the GR 5505 motor grader, which can be classified as one of the largest in the world. With impressive dimensions reaching approximately 14 meters in length, 4.3 meters in width, and 4.7 meters in height, it can be equipped with different diesel engines, such as the Perkins 2806 or the Cummins QSX-15, providing power in the range of 550 to 600 horsepower. This allows it to reach transport speeds of up to 42 kilometers per hour, along with a traction force exceeding 390 kilonewtons. Regarding its leveling blade, it offers a working width of 7.3 meters and a height of 1 meter. The blade has a tilt angle of 55 degrees, a cutting angle of 40 degrees, and a swing angle of 340 degrees. This enables it to achieve a maximum depth of just over half a meter, making it a highly effective machine for leveling work in urban and rural road construction, as well as in mining and airport operations. Furthermore, this machine can function as a snow removal equipment, as it features systems designed to maintain the temperatures generated by the machine, allowing it to operate in extremely cold conditions, even below 40 degrees Celsius. Caterpillar, a global leader in the development of heavy machinery for various construction tasks, has been known for its focus on innovation and efficiency in the industry. Thanks to this dedication, they managed to develop one of the most iconic motor graders, designed specifically for maintaining mining roads where vehicles with payloads of up to 180 tons operate. Named the CAT 24 in reference to its 24-foot leveling blade, this machine made its debut in 1995 and has been a resounding success since then. To date, more than 1,000 units have been produced, and combined with its impressive dimensions, has earned it the title of the world's largest motor grader with active production. These motor graders are equipped with a CAT C27 engine, which can generate up to 694 horsepower. Over the years, they have undergone modifications to adapt to changing needs, maintaining a solid structure that provides unmatched durability and reliability. One of the notable models is the 24H version, which features a modular design that speeds up the replacement of attachments by 70%, compared to similar models like the 24M. Similarly, this variant has 15% more torque and an 11% increase in weight, reaching 75 tons. These improvements result in greater traction force and downward pressure of the blade, significantly enhancing its overall performance. In the early 1980s, Umberto Eco, an entrepreneur and owner of a civil construction company, received a highly special commission to build large and powerful machinery intended for a project that required moving large amounts of earth in desert areas. From this need, the Eco motor grader emerged, historically classified as the largest ever manufactured. Its leveling blade had a length of 10 meters, and it weighed around 200 tons. Due to its operations in desert areas, it was equipped with 12 tires to improve traction on the ground. One notable aspect of this machine is that it incorporated 2 engines, a 1,000 horsepower engine at the rear and a smaller 700 horsepower engine at the front. This gigantic machine was developed alongside an equally colossal bulldozer for work in Libya, such as in the laying of pipes. However, just after completing the construction of both units, trade restrictions were imposed that prevented their transport from Italy. As a result, both machines were stored at the manufacturer's facilities. Over the years, the motor grader became something of a tourist attraction while it remained in storage. Unfortunately, following the closure of the Accp company in 2006, the property housing these machines was transformed into a machinery storage yard. In 2012, the bulldozer was successfully rescued, but the motor grader was not as fortunate. It was eventually dismantled and sold as scrap due to the deterioration it suffered over time. Introduced in 1975, the Champion 100T motor grader was a heavy-duty machine designed primarily for operations in mining environments. At the time, it held the title of being the world's largest production motor grader. It was equipped with Cummins and Detroit diesel engines, with a minimum power output of 700 horsepower. Weighing approximately 92 tons, this impressive machine measured around 15.3 meters in length, 4.4 meters in width, and 5.4 meters in height, making it a commanding presence. Its 7.3-meter leveling blade had comparable mobility to smaller machines and could rotate up to 45 degrees to the left or right. Although this unit appeared innovative and promised advantages in heavy-duty operations, difficulties related to its use and transportation at that time resulted in very low sales and ultimately the discontinuation of the model. Only a few units were sold, estimated to be fewer than a dozen, and some of them are still in use as backup motor graders in large open-pit mines. This limited success led to the transfer of manufacturing rights for this model to Dom-X Corp., a Minnesota-based company, in 1989. Later, in 1997, the rights were acquired by Volvo, which continued the production of motor graders under the Champion Road Machinery brand. It's worth noting that after the dismantling of the Accp motor grader, the Champion 100T became the largest machine in its category. MEDATech is a prominent Canadian company specialized in designing and constructing custom heavy equipment for various industries such as mining, construction, and transportation. One of their standout developments is the ALT drive system, which replaces combustion engines with electric solutions, focusing primarily on electrifying heavy-duty vehicles. This adaptable system can be implemented in a variety of vehicles, including trucks, excavators, and motor graders, among others. A notable example of its application is the conversion of a Cat 12 motor grader as per Newmont's request for their Borden Lake gold mine. The primary goal of this conversion was to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, especially in underground mining operations. In addition to emission reduction, the system offers other significant benefits, such as lowering the costs associated with installing and maintaining ventilation infrastructure in underground environments. Moreover, electrification leads to a decrease in polluting emissions, as an electrified fleet saves almost 3 million liters of diesel per year and avoids the emission of 7,500 tons of CO2. This could be considered the largest electric motor grader, despite being a conversion from a medium-sized unit to a fully electric propulsion system. However, it's important to note that its implementation requires the complete removal of the original powertrain, replacing it with an electric motor and batteries. Thank you so much for sticking around until the end of the video. We hope you enjoyed it and found it valuable. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. We can't wait to see you in the next one.